If you're tired of your vehicle's AFM, DFM constantly changing your cylinders in your truck, or you're sick and tired of the auto stop start constantly shutting your engine off, this little device is all you need to get that fixed. This is the AFM DFM Disabler from Range Technologies. It's extremely simple to use. You just plug it in to your OBD2 port in your vehicle and it will shut off AFM DFM and it will shut off the auto start stop function in your vehicle. And what's really great about it is that it doesn't leave any trace behind. So if you need to go get your truck in for service or have a warranty that you need to get checked on, all you have to do is unplug it from the system. It instantly switches everything back to factory, and then you can take your truck into the dealership with no issues at all. So why would you want AFM DFM to be disabled? I mean, the dealerships tell you that it's great. It's great for fuel economy and helping out without using much fuel while you're driving, right? When you have those fuel management systems disabled, your engine is able to work at full capacity all the time, which means that it's easier to stay at speed and cruising without the engine having to actually work as hard. This can also reduce the odds that you'll have engine problems as well, because there are studies that have shown there's a chance that the fuel management system shutting off cylinders and reactivating them randomly while you're driving can actually cause unnecessary stress on engine components such as the lifters and the push rods. So by deactivating those fuel management systems, your engine is just running at its normal capacity all the time. Nothing shutting off, nothing turning on during driving. It's just staying in its constant rotation of cylinders, which could actually reduce stress on the engine and help improve the longevity of the engine that you have in your truck. One reason why I'm excited to try this is because of the performance exhaust that I put on from Rough Country. When the dynamic fuel management shuts off cylinders in my engine and I'm cruising down the road, it actually changes the exhaust sound. It makes the exhaust sound almost like a helicopter. It doesn't have that smooth, low rumble sound. It really kind of fluctuates the sound a little bit. It's not something that I enjoy hearing. I don't think it sounds good. So using this little device, keeping those cylinders on at all times should keep the exhaust sounding nice and smooth and sounding a lot better. So now that we've discussed what this product is and why we're going to be using it in the truck, let's go ahead and do some test driving and see if we can notice any differences with or without the device. I put a microphone on the rear bumper of the vehicle near the exhaust exit. I don't have a way to mount my phone back there, but you will be able to hear audio directly from the exhaust. You'll just have to see me in the video footage while we're doing the driving loop. So we're going to do the first loop without the disabler installed and the second loop with the disabler installed. Now that we've done some testing of the AFM DFM Disabler, I've got a list of commonly asked questions right here that we'll go over that may be helpful or informative if you're looking into this device for your vehicle. The AFM DFM Disabler does not reprogram your vehicle's ECU or cause any lasting changes to occur in your vehicle. When the device is removed or uninstalled, any traces of the device being used are also removed from the vehicle's computer. This should protect your vehicle's warranty if you are worried about that. The Disabler will work on any GM vehicle with active or dynamic fuel management. It is not set for a specific vehicle model, VIN, or anything of that nature. This device can be used with an OBD2 splitter if you are using one of those for another accessory or to make sure that your OBD2 port is always available. There are no direct tests on fuel economy, but reports from consumers and customers of the product have stated that they are seeing possibly plus or minus 1 mile per gallon difference, but of course this all depends on driving habits and conditions. The AFM DFM Disabler does not draw any more battery than any of the other constantly functioning systems in your vehicle, such as the security system, a remote start, the BCM, etc. So a battery with normal health levels should not have any issues with this device being plugged in. Reported data shows that with the ignition off, the device has little or no impact on the battery at all. However, Range Technology does recommend, if your vehicle will be sitting for a while without being ran, to remove the device just to make sure there's no excess battery draw that is unexpected that may cause your battery to drain while the vehicle is sitting. So that is information on the AFM DFM Disabler from Range Technology, along with a little test to show differences with it being used or not used. I would also like to make sure I say thank you to Range Technology for sending over the AFM DFM Disabler so that I can try it out. If you found this video helpful or informative, leave a like or a comment down below. I'd really appreciate it. If you're interested in some of the other options that you may have for your 2019 Silverado as far as accessories are concerned, check out this playlist right up here. But for now, thanks for watching. This is Southpaw Garage signing out.